Patrick Hayes here, General Manager at Gold Coast. As a contractor myself, I know that getting your license should be an exciting step forward, not a full-time job in paperwork and red tape. But every state has different rules, requirements, and documentation, and one mistake can delay your license by weeks or even months. Too often, we see contractors who are ready to work, but stuck in a paperwork nightmare. That's why we created our application processing services to take the pressure off of you. We guide you one-on-one through the entire process, whether it's tracking down the right experience verification, working with your insurance provider, talking you through insurance and bonding options, or navigating your state's unique requirements. Our licensing specialists handle the forms, gather the right documents, and ensure everything is aligned, submitted accurately, on time, the first time. The result? You stay focused on growing your business while we take care of getting you licensed. Let us help you get licensed. Fast, stress-free, and done right the first time.